Hello, and today we're going to be doing an instructional video on how to measure a filter bag. First thing you're going to want to do is take your bag and lay it flat on the table. Spread the fabric out as far as you can and measure the width of that flat part of the bag. Start your tape measure at the 1 inch mark and measure across. Don't forget to subtract 1 inch from your final measurement. Once this is done, you're going to want to take the length of the bag. Now, because most bags are much larger than this, you're going to want to have 2 people putting tension on each end in order to get the most accurate measurement of the bag. Once you have 2 people, take the tape measure and in the middle of the snap band, of the groove of the snap band, measure all the way to the first stitch of the patch. Again, putting tension on the bag the whole time. For example, this bag is 15¼ inches long. The next step in measuring a filter bag is taking the tube sheet diameter or the cell plate hole. Either terminology is fine. For best practice to do this, it's best to use a caliper. Remember, you have to measure the diameter as well as the thickness of the sheet of metal. If you don't have a caliper, you can also use a tape measure. To do so, take the tape measure and again, starting at the 1 inch mark, measure across the middle of the tube sheet hole. Again, don't forget to take 1 inch off your final measurement. Do the same for the thickness. Once you have those measurements, we at Albarrie can now take that information to design a bag that's going to fit accurately and perfectly the first time. Thank you for watching this instructional video. We at Albarrie are here to support your filter bag and baghouse needs. If you have any questions or inquiries, please reach out to us at albarrie.com.